An angle grinder is a versatile and powerful tool commonly used in construction and metalworking. It is absolutely crucial to follow safety guidelines when using an angle grinder. Here is a comprehensive guide on how to use an angle grinder safely and effectively. Always wear a full face shield to protect your eyes from debris and sparks. Use hearing protection, especially if you are operating the grinder for an extended period of time. Wear the correct type of gloves to protect your hands from sharp edges and hot surfaces. Put on a dust mask or respirator if you're generating a lot of dust during grinding or cutting. Be sure to fill out a hot work permit and check the boxes that pertain to the work being performed. There are various types of discs available for different tasks: cutting, grinding, sanding, or polishing. Ensure you're using the proper disc for your specific application. Check the disc's maximum RPM or revolutions per minute rating and ensure that it matches or exceeds your grinder's RPM. Unplug the grinder or remove the battery if it is cordless before attaching or adjusting the disc. Make sure the disc is correctly mounted and tightened according to the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure that the grinder always has a guard and handle. Ensure that your work area is clean and free of any flammable materials or clutter that could catch fire from sparks. If possible, use a cut station. This will help ergonomically to prevent injuries. Secure the workpiece using clamps or a vise to prevent it from moving during operation. Hold the grinder with both hands, maintaining a firm grip throughout the operation. Keep a stable stance and position your body to the side of the grinder, not in front of the spinning disc. Avoid overreaching, which could lead to a loss of control. For cutting, position the wheel at a slight angle to avoid kickback. Apply light and even pressure on the grinder while cutting or grinding. Don't force it. Let the tool do the work. Excessive pressure may cause the disc to break or wear out quickly. Be cautious when cutting through metal or other materials, as the sparks generated can be very hot and cause burns. After use, release the trigger and wait for the disc to come to a complete stop before setting the grinder down. Unplug the grinder or remove the battery once you're finished with your task. Regularly inspect the angle grinder and disc for any damage or wear. Replace worn or damaged discs promptly. Keep the grinder clean and free from debris, especially in the air vents. Store the angle grinder in a safe and dry place. Remember, safety is paramount when using any power tool, especially an angle grinder. Always read and follow the manufacturer's instructions and take appropriate precautions to avoid accidents and injuries. If you are new to using an angle grinder, have someone help you to ensure that you understand safe use procedures.